Hi! So this is my review of this keyboard na to. Keyboard na to. This is the Radeon mechanical keyboard na bundle siya. This is the Gaming Essentials K551RGB-BA. This is a review 1 year or more than 1 year after using this. Yung review ko nun, I was really positive about yung review ko regarding the keyboard itself, yung paggamit essentially. Pero kasi it's hard to tell something if it's reliable after some time. This is my 1 year review after that. So, ang ko dito is using it has been a little bit frustrating on my end. Kasi yun, at first it was okay. Maganda naman ang performance niya for some time. Pero months after that, as in way months, siguro close to a year of it. Hindi pa umabot ng 1 year, parang basta pero close to a year after using that. Nagkaroon siya ng point na medyo may delay yung mga ibang keys. It was getting a little bit frustrating kasi hindi pa isa-isa. These are several keys na medyo ganun yung ganun yung response. So it was just it was getting to a point na medyo it's a bit of a headache. Nakakainis lang kasi ang dami kong tinatype tapos biglang hindi tumutuloy yung pinagsusulat ko kasi ang daming nawawala ng mga letters, characters, ganun. So I thought of cleaning it up on my own, which is madali naman maglinis. There's no problem cleaning it up. Madali siyang baklasin and everything. So walang problem dun. Pero nagkaroon ng point na, sige, I'll try doing the switches, which is, kung nakita niyo yung mga recent video ko, bumili na ako ng switches, bumili din ako ng tools to remove and do the maintenance thing. Meron ako recording on how I did my yung paglilinis. Unfortunately, sinubukan ko siya i-record ng 4K and naputo lahat ng pinagagawa ko, so nawala yung aking video. So, I'll just talk about it na lang. Anyway, my experience ko with it is a little bit frustrating. Una kasi nung sinusubukan ko tanggalin yung mga switches, meron kasamang sariling switch remover. Madali magtanggal ng key, so that's not a problem. Yung pagtanggal ng switch yung problem. Una kasi this is my first time trying it, so marami akong kinakapa on how to actually just remove the thing. Hindi ko kasi alam, I was just watching videos, and pag watching videos on how to do this is actually looks pretty easy, and ayun, easy to use, easy to maintain. Pero nung sinusubukan ko nang tanggalin yung mismong switch on my own, I found it rather difficult. I was just trying to follow instructions, and nung sinubukan kong siyang hatakin na ganun yung key, kasi meron parang I have to itatapat mo yung meron kasi parang nudges yung merong nudges kung makikita niyo dito. Sharpness, hindi naman sharp pero parang paano siya na maliit na parang siya hindi naman sharp, basta it's something na parang pag makita mo siya, meron siya ang top and bottom ng switch, meron ding yung sa upper or sa lower ng switch, meron siyang pangkuha. Pang kailangan i-press mo yung up and bottom. Dapat maano mo yung top and bottom ng switch. Once magawa mo yung top and bottom, actually madali lang siya pag maganda naman. As in, I tested it on this one bago ko tinest dun sa aking keyboard. So pagkuha sa kanya, madali lang naman siya kunin. So tulad dito, ayan, I got it really easily. It's not really a problem. It's actually easy to get. Nung ginawa ko na siya sa keyboard, ay grabe. Kasi talaga grabe. Ang sakit talaga ng kamay ko just trying to get it. Talagang to the point na parang nabiyak yung switch. Kasi talagang ko doon, bakit ganito yung bakit ganito experience ko? Am I doing something wrong? Pero yun, practice ulit ako dito, and it's fine, it's easy to use. Pero pagdating dun sa keyboard, ang grabe talaga, ang hirap talaga niyang tanggalin. Okay, so that's one issue. Tapos yung pagbalik sa kanya, dito madali lang din. Pag saksak sa kanya, it's a snap to actually to replace this. Yan, tulad dito, yan. Tapos pagbalik dito, pagbalik sa kanya, it's a snap. Yan, ganun lang, madali lang. Dito, talaga, kasi talagang I used so much of my effort. Sumakit talaga yung mga kamay ko just to push in yung mga switches, and it's yun nga, ang hirap niyang gamitin, ang hirap niyang palitan. Tapos at the same time, dahil sobrang liit ng mga wires dito, tapos there's very little room for error dun sa saksakan ng switches. Dahil there's very little room for error. Pag nagkamali ka, magbe-bend yung mga wire. Pag nag-bend yung wire, there's a possibility that it might break kasi napakaliit lang ng wire niya. So I had to do this thing so many times, and I damaged a few of this already. I damaged a few, so mga iba dito tapon na kasi talagang nabali talaga yung wire, so I won't be able to use it. So nakakaano lang na to maintain the keyboard, it's a little frustrating than I want it to be. Because of it, now I'm really considering getting a different brand kasi the maintenance part is not easy. Kasi kaya ako nga dapat kumuha ng mechanical keyboard, 'di ba? Kasi gusto mo siyang na-maintain. You really want the keyboard kasi you wanna stick to it. Tapos same time, madali dapat siya ma-maintain. Pero din nga, experience ko dito, maintaining it is a pain. And I don't even understand why it lost yung parang pagano ng mga key. Bakit nawala yung yung mga ibang response niya. Pero it did help. Nung pinalit ko yung mga to, it actually did help. So in a sense, gano'n naman, nag-respond siya mas maayos-ayos. Pero I'm still, kinakapako pa ako ano pa mga key ang mga medyo babagal ang response. Pero at the moment, it feels fine. It's just a bit of a headache to do. Pero we'll see. If it's still it's a headache to me for the next month, pakapalit ako ng bago. Kasi it's just really, it just other than it gave me a headache, it gave me a lot of pain sa thumbs ko sa kakapush ng paano siya tatanggalin. Same time yung paghila ng key, it was just frustrating to me. So in a sense, because of that, my review of the keyboard goes a lot low. Siguro nasa ako na it's hard to recommend for me to buy this. Ayun lang yung pag-maintenance kasi, alam mo yun, okay na sana yung presyo niya kasi okay na yung presyo ng keyboard kasi it really feels good. So totoo lang, it really feels good, it really feels fine. Walang problema yung paggamit sa kanya at first. Pero once I started trying to do things to maintain it, to clean it up, tapos yun nga yung pagpapalit ng mga switches. Pagpalit ng switches is that part is a real negative part sa akin. And yun nga, dahil nadadamage mo pa yung mga bagong bili mo mga ganito, that's a real negative part for me. Because of that, I'm gonna put my score into like mga 2.5 mark, not sa 3. It's kinda hard kasi nga it's really hard for me to recommend kung sa ganun kasakit sa ulo ang to maintain it. Yeah, it's hard for me to recommend it. Pero yun nga, pero yung katulad dito, kung yung keyboard itself has this easy maintenance sa parang nagagawa ko dito, then it's fine. Pero yun nga my experience dito sa pagtanggal dito is different sa pagtanggal ko doon sa keyboard. Yung experience ko sa keyboard has really been a pain. So I don't know why, dahil ba na bakal yung yung closure niya, kaya siguro ganun kahirap. I don't know. I'm not really so sure. Pero yun nga, it's just that frustrating, and it's just a bit of a pain to actually use it, and the pain part is literal. Ayun. Anyway, so that's my updated review of the mechanical keyboard na kasama ng Red Dragon Gaming Essentials. Ayun. Anyway, pero yung kasama niyang mouse is actually pretty good. Wala akong issue. I just have to clean it once in a while. And so far, so good. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time. You guys take care. Tapos like, share, subscribe yung mga video ko. Tapos kung gusto panoorin yung mga ibang gameplay video ko, you can check. Meron akong mga gameplay video sa Twitch. Problema lang kasi sa Twitch, meron siyang 1 week until mabura yung mga videos. Pero meron akong channel din sa YouTube na talaga specifically for gameplay only, which is yung PVG Presents. Ayun, you can check that out then. Anyway, thank you very much. You guys take care. Yun yung aking video. And bye-bye.